Hello guys, welcome back. Let us see the problem of the day from the LEETCODE. The problem number is 349. It is the intersection of two arrays. It's a easy problem. Let's see, read the question. Given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2. Return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must be unique, and you must return the result in any order. It is saying that he is giving arrays called nums1 and nums2. We have to fetch the elements that are there in both the arrays nums1 and nums2, and we have to unique the fetched elements. And that means we have to return only the unique element. Like we are not allowed to return the duplicates. So let's see example one. From nums1, it is 1 2 2 1, and the nums2 is 2 2. Here the common elements are 2 and 2. So as we have to return the unique element, so that we will return 2. Let us see example 2. The nums1 is 495, and the nums2 is 94 and 84. So the common elements are 4 and 9. Here we have two nines and two fours. So basically we will get the common elements as 4499. So as we have to return only the unique u, we will return 94 or else 49. Both are correct. Let us see the approach. Let's see the constraints. Here the constraints are 1000. That means 10 cube. At max we can do only n square, big of n square. We can't do n cube as it exceeds 10 power 6. We will get the time complexity exceeded. Let's see the first approach. Here the first approach is we are using a unordered map. It is to store the elements from the nums1. Here we will use for loop to store in the nums1. For auto it in m1, if mpp of it is 0, we will increment that mpp of it by 1. Let us declare one array that is answer, as we have to return the array, so that we declared an vector n as answer. So we will iterate through the nums2. If mpp of it, the elements which are in nums2 are are there in the unordered map, that means they have that element as common. Then we can push that into the our answer, and we can to avoid the duplicates, we will make the mpp of that it as to 0. So we will get the answer and we will return answer. Here the time complexity is big of max of size of nums1 comma nums2, and there is a space complexity, that is the unordered map will take some space. uh, and here we are also using the answer, but it depends upon the interviewer what he is saying. He can consider this as the answer as the space complexity or not, as we have to create that space to return, so that probably we won't add that into the space complexity. Let's see the another approach. The another approach is we are using two sets, that is s1 and s2, unordered set. So we will first we will insert that nums1 element into s1 and the nums2 elements into s2. Uh, Vector int, and we will declare an array which stores the common elements which are not duplicated, and we will return answer. And in between we have to iterate either of the nums1 or nums2, and we check the opposite set. Here we are trading through the nums1 set, and if the element contains in the s2, that means s2 dot contains it. Here it is a inbuilt function contains. If the it is present in s2, it will give us 1, and if it doesn't contains, it will give us 0. So if it contains, then we can push into the answer, and that is the answer. Let's see. Guys, it's working fine. Let's submit the code. Yeah guys, it's successfully submitted. Thank you. I hope you understand the concept and the logic.